So hello, today we're gonna do an MRO experience of the Mercedes engine, and we'll start with the first step, which is scanning. So I'm scanning the engine. So scan 3D. The second step I'm doing is I'm taking pictures that will be used for my annotations. Yes, and the third step I'm doing in EON is to walk and talk, and the walk and talk will give me a guided tour to what you do, the 3D recording that can also be used to 3D assessment. So focusing on certain areas that are important. First of all, be aware of the pinch points, which are in various locations. Familiarize you and also prepare for a traditional inspection. So here is the CTEC charger. You will also be able to get more instructions, Mercedes mechanic instructions, through the more detailed lessons that we created.
Has anyone ever relocated a charging connection on the for a CTEC charger in the trunk?
Platzieren Sie den Ladestecker im Kofferraum. Hat schon mal jemand einen Ladeadapter